The Feversham Arms Hotel and Verbena Spa is a relaxing countryside retreat that can be found in the historic village of Helmsley, North Yorkshire, England. Now, this place has been on our bucket list for quite some time. The allure of the outdoor heated pool, the design of the country chic building, and its reputation for great food have always been incredibly tempting. But to be perfectly honest, because that's what we try to do on this channel, the high price tag has always put us off. Despite pausing on its website checkout page several times over the years, in the end we've generally let out a disappointed sigh and opted for one of its less pricier competitors. But for us, 2023 was a year of taking risks and stepping out of our comfort zone. We'd worked hard and put in some seriously long hours, both for the YouTube channel and in our own occupations. Like a lot of people, we'd also had some sad news left, right and centre, so we made a decision to go for it. So with the motto of "you only live once" in our heads, we took a deep breath and finally clicked the book now button on the website of the Feversham Arms Hotel and Verbena Spa. Hello everyone and welcome back to The Wanderlust Way. In this video we'll be sharing with you our stay at the Feversham Arms Hotel and Verbena Spa in Helmsley. Please do like the video if you enjoy it. I am hoping to get another video out soon on the area of Helmsley, so feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss that one either. Thanks for watching! Situated in the picturesque town of Helmsley, North Yorkshire, you can find the Feversham Arms Hotel and Verbena Spa, a 4-star countryside retreat close to the stunning North Yorkshire Moors National Park. A guidebook in our room explains that this place was originally an old coaching inn that was rebuilt and renamed in 1855 by the Earl of Feversham. It had previously been known as the Guest House, the Board Inn, and latterly the Bay Horse, where beer and candles were made for sale. Today it is an extremely popular spa hideaway that offers 33 bedrooms in which to retreat, relax and indulge. We booked via their website one of the overnight spa break packages, which included dinner, bed and breakfast, plus full use of the spa, including a 60-minute treatment each. We arrived about 1:30 after taking a short stroll around the market square of Helmsley. The hotel offers complimentary car parking during your stay and does have a couple of electric charging stations at the front for those that require it. I believe these are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Although check-in was 3 p.m, I'd previously called the spa who had confirmed we could arrive prior to that to make use of the facilities. As it was the week before Christmas, the hotel was beautifully decorated with festive ornaments, including an impressive tree by the staircase in reception. It was a lovely opportunity to unwind before the madness of Christmas set in. I haven't videoed inside the spa in order to respect the privacy of the other guests, but I'll give a brief rundown of what's available. When arriving at the spa, we were given a glass of water and a hot face towel to enjoy whilst we filled in the necessary forms for our treatments. After that, we were pointed in the direction of the changing rooms, where we were each given a locker. The changing rooms were spacious, clean, and with both open and cubicle changing facilities. The ladies' room did have hairdryers and toiletries available, which would be ideal if you were just coming for a day visit. Inside the locker, I found a robe and slippers, which I snugly slipped into, ready for my transition into a more serene version of myself. By the entrance of the spa, you can find a small bar area which sells a variety of hot and cold drinks. Water was included for free, but by the end of the day we ditched the water and opted for a glass of Prosecco each. These could be enjoyed either in the bar area or in the relaxation room. The relaxation room included comfortable chairs, sofas and magazines to indulge at your leisure. It was also where you would wait to be called for your treatments. At the very end of the building, you can find the Heat Experience Zone, a well-organised space that includes a sauna, steam room and foot spas. There's also a rain shower in here and fresh towels are available as needed. At this point in the day, we were lucky enough to have most of the area to ourselves. It was not busy at all, and considering it was a Saturday, we were very surprised. As it got closer to the 3 p.m. hotel check-in time, we did notice it fill up a little more, so my top tip would be to call up and see if you can access the spa a little earlier. Take a walk outside and you will come across the hot tub and outdoor pool. As it was winter time, there wasn't anybody sat outside, although I imagine it could be a lovely place to enjoy lunch or a drink during the summer months. We took a dip in the pool, which was heated. Again, we were the only people in at that time. The hotel has 33 rooms and we chose to book one of their spa suites, which are located in the spa wing and which offer a spacious bedroom, bathroom and lounge area. We were given room 34, which had an incredible balcony overlooking the pool. So we are in room 34. Room 34 at the Feversham Arms. This is one of the spa suite rooms, which I'm very excited about. So you've got a little table, 2 chairs. I cannot believe this. I'm absolutely over the moon with this. We have got a Christmas tree in the room. How lovely is that? Oh, it feels so Christmassy. I don't think I've ever been to a hotel where I've had a Christmas tree in the room. I asked the lady from reception, who was so kind. She helped us up to the room with our bags. And I did ask her if all the rooms had these trees, and I think she said pretty much most of them do, yeah. So with the suite, you've got 2 rooms. We've got a bit of a lounge area. So I'll walk you through this. Some really quirky little paintings on the wall. We've got a coffee machine. And some lovely little mugs. Biscuits, oaty biscuits. Oh, wow, what a selection here. So lots of Taylor's, Earl Grey, green tea with jasmine. Oh, hot chocolate, we'll definitely be having one of those. Yorkshire tea. Obviously you've got your kettle. And then I've got a mirror here. Okay. This is beautiful. I'm so impressed. Right, what have we got here? This has got all guest information. Oh, room service. Room service is served from 10 till 9. So that is the room service menu. Should you wish to indulge in some room service. We've got this on a spa package deal. So we get a 3-course meal tonight as well. We have got a balcony, but I'm going to show you that in the daytime because I know we're not going to be able to see anything. A little lounge area, which is lovely for relaxing in. And then look at this view. This is probably the nicest hotel in England well, I'm sure it is the nicest hotel in England that I've ever stayed in. Beautiful. Really, really nice. Lovely little village as well, Helmsley. Decor, very, very classy. And the balcony looks over the pool, so I think we might sit out there later and have a little drink. TV. And then, this is the bedroom. Cute slidey doors. You wanted a bit of privacy from the Christmas tree. So we've got a huge bedroom, another TV in here. So testing the TV out and considering it's Christmas, we thought we'd watch some kind of Channel 5 documentary about how they make Christmas food. Very exciting. In here, this is like a mini apartment. And this cute little fella was on the bed. He's just one of the hotel guests. But it does say, if you do not wish to be disturbed, please place me outside your door. Oh, he's so cute. And then a lovely big bed. That's definitely, I would say, a super king. We'll let you know in the morning how that feels. I'm sure it's going to be good. And then wardrobe. So let's see how much space and what have we got in the wardrobe. Oh yes, once again, Adie's already got himself unpacked. So plenty of coat hangers. I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 coat hangers. We've got safe, hairdryer and iron. Okay. Don't think there's a fridge in here. And there we go, full length mirror. And then the bathroom.
Wow. The bathroom's as big as the spa, I think. So we've got his and hers, couples sinks. That's very cute. All these beautiful products, all Temple Spa products. Aromatic cleansing bar. We've got shampoo, 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, 2 skin balms, so moisturiser, and 2 shower gels. Then we've got our towels under here. Okay, and then we've got a tub. We've got a tub, a deep tub. And over here we have a shower with both rain shower and mini shower. So brilliant. Full length, big airy mirror for putting on your makeup, having a shave, that sort of thing. And then we've got another door here. So we've got that door there that goes into the bathroom. And then, oh, and this is a point, we get robes, slippers. Da-da, the slippers on, got the slippers on, hee-hee. These say soulmate. So robes and slippers. And then if you come through this door, what do you think? Where do we go in? Ta-da! We end up back in here. How clever is that? We've ended up back at the beginning.
Dinner is served from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. in the Weathervane restaurant. There is a dress code for the evening which asks you wear something smart. Don't worry, you don't need to get completely suited and booted, but casual attire such as shorts or t-shirts isn't permitted. As we were on a package, we were given a set menu to choose from. There were 3 options available for each course. I went for the copper ham starter and followed this by the chicken supreme main. In all honesty, there was much better selection on the a la carte menu, but there was the option to upgrade for a surcharge if you wanted. To upgrade to the scallop starter, for example, we were told it was an extra £12. I do apologise for the footage in the restaurant. It was very dark. My phone camera doesn't really do it justice. After dinner, we retired to our room to enjoy a hot chocolate on our balcony. Although it was so cold outside, the fairy lights that twinkled around the poolside were so enchanting that it was worth bracing the December weather for.
Still actually cannot get over the fact that we've got a Christmas tree. Still really exciting for me. I'm so easily pleased. No, I think that's a really nice touch. So, let's do something very novelty and have a cup of tea outside. So peaceful. And you can see now that it's morning that all the spa suites have a little balcony like this outside. Nobody else sat on theirs today, but it is December, so I'm trying to be mindful because there's a couple of people in the pool and I'm trying not to get them in. I just think that's a little bit unfair. But this is the view. This is the view you can get in the morning.
And so after a great night's sleep, 10 out of 10 for bed comfort, we were ready to face Sunday morning. We started the day off with a full English breakfast back in the main dining room. Breakfast here is served from 7:30am up to 9:45am. There was a great selection of served options, including eggs Benedict, vegetarian breakfasts, porridge and smashed avocado.
We've got tea and we've got orange.
Feversham is there were lots of cosy nooks that you could explore, including armchairs by the fireside and a very welcoming library that overlooked the pool area. That was really cute and had some games in there as well. By 11 a.m, though, it was sadly time to check out, but we were kindly allowed to leave our car in the car park for a little longer whilst we explored the local area a bit more. All in all, it was a fabulous stay and we both felt really well rested. The staff were absolutely wonderful and made our stay so pleasant. I would highly recommend the Feversham Arms Hotel for an overnight break. We are certainly pleased that we managed to knock this one off the bucket list. Have you stayed here before? What did you think? Or is it somewhere you're considering for the future? Do let me know in the comments because I always love to hear about other people's trips too. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or get in touch with us on social media. I hope you've enjoyed it and I look forward to sharing the next adventure with you. Thank you.